Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the theme in your Messenger application. Now let's begin. Do you know that I am using Messenger on my desktop device and you can do the same in your mobile device as well. Right here is Messenger that I have installed in my desktop device. If you have not installed it and do not know how to, we have created a video regarding how to install. Right here is my friend Greg and I want to change the theme in this specific chat. Now let's begin. At the right section of the screen, you will find something like theme right here. Just click on it. Now something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of themes here. You can select from any one you wish. Let's say I select this one. And once everything's okay, click on set theme. And as you can see, the theme has been changed. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change theme in Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.